Now to a quick focus on what's in your pizza, burger and Hyderabadi biryani. Vasudha, if you order it in Hyderabad, is it hygienic and have the restaurants adhered to food safety standards? Apparently not, as a massive series of raids by health officials found out in Telangana. Some distasteful details seem to be coming out.
That's right, Veera, and this even amongst some reputed international brands. A massive inspection drive by the Telangana Food Safety Department has now uncovered widespread violations in popular pizza chains and local outlets across the state. As part of this exercise, officials inspected 55 pizza outlets, including 18 Pizza Hut outlets, 16 Domino's and 21 local pizzerias and bakeries. Uma Sudhir has all the details.
So, Telangana's Food Safety Commissioner said that following a complaint, inspections had been carried out in as many as 55 pizza and burger outlets, and this included 18 belonging to Pizza Hut, 16 belonging to Domino's and 21 other outlets, and they found that in as many as 8 out of the 18 Pizza Hut, 10 out of the 16 Domino's and 6 out of the 21 others, there were food safety standard violations. What it means is that there were hygiene lapses, there were food safety protocol lapses, and also license and jurisdictional lapses as well. So what they have now done is to give improvement notices to all these establishments, giving them 2 weeks time to clean up their act, and if they do not do that within 2 weeks, then punitive action would be taken against all these establishments. As of now, the bad food items have been thrown away, and the samples have also been sent for testing. What they found was that, one, there was a lack of hygiene being maintained there, not being maintained there. The second one was that there was, for instance, meat and the vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods, the separation was not there. There were also temperature issues in terms of the temperatures at which the freezer should be kept. The other one was about having measures for not allowing insects to come in, and also the protocols for pest control. All those documentation was not there, and also about people themselves, about medical certificates being issued to the staff working there, their wearing of gloves or of masks or of hair covers. All of that was also found to be lacking, and based on all these criteria, these establishments have now been given time for 2 weeks to improve their act. Otherwise, action is to be taken.